welcome to the channel and to the video. Today adto mi sa supermarket kay nami shopping karon mga necessities. And in this video I'm just gonna show you as well what it's like outside, because at the moment the UK is in lockdown right now, but some people are still allowed to go outside with the special reasons. Like you're allowed to go outside if you need to buy some basic necessities, and then if you work in the health sector as well, or something crucial that it's like you're in the front line on dealing the coronavirus. And also if you like you're allowed to go outside if you need to do an exercise, like one form of exercise per person in the family. So yeah, those are the things that those are the reasons why people can go outside. But other than that, you have they're encouraging everyone here in the UK to stay at home as much as possible, just to lessen the workload for the NHS here, the health service. As you can see, it's very quiet. This is our main road here in the town. It's usually very busy this time around. At the moment in supermarkets, there are like huge, like long lines. So it might take a while. Might have to find another supermarket that has a shorter line. So yeah, fingers crossed, get it done, get back home safe and sound. Each person should be 2 meters. Hopefully everyone's following it. Here's the town center from the from my previous videos. Town hall. Businesses are closed. They've been ordered to close. There are also police going around, so if you get caught, you have to pay £30 fine if you get caught. If you're going out without the reason that I was talking about earlier. Very eerie and silent. Usually bustling, but it's not the case at the moment. I don't think there's a line. No, there's no lines, which is good. I think you could go in straight. May nagbabantay din sa labas mga staff to regulate the system outside.
Few moments later.
Okay guys, I'm going to another supermarket because one of the items I wanted is not there. They've run out, so hoping again if there's they're present in the other ones. My brother Henry, say hello.
Hello.
Be motivated. What's your opinion?
I'm annoyed because exams aren't happening anymore.
Okay guys, I got what I wanted. And there's a lot of them, so yeah, I'm very thankful. So right now we're going home and stay safe. I'm planning to do a shake actually. I'm gonna show you. It's like someone's teasing us, teasing everyone with this weather. Look at the weather outside, guys. Very nice. It's like urging everyone to go outside, but we can't because of the stupid virus. It's spring soon. Can you see the plants? Can you show Henry the plants? They're starting to bloom, like that tree over there. Yeah, springtime, sunny. Too bad we can't get out. Last year it was raining during this time of the year, and also in summer it was so rainy that it was annoying. And now it's very sunny, looking nice and bright. We can't do anything. Very unfair.
One eternity later.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hey.
23, okay? Beat mass, go. 3, 2, 1.
1, 2.
You suck.
Why did you do that? You're able to do that, Henry.
Got anak si kuya.
12 reps, just like in the gym.
Straight, yeah.
Show photo here. Hello.
Oh. Hiya, hiya.
We're up to photo. Huh?
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I'm planning to make some shake, smoothie, in other words. I'm just gonna do a fridge raid and see what's inside the fridge I could use, like berries if there's any there. I might also mix some bananas in, or anything that I could find, something that will be viable to mix in the smoothie. So here we go. Alright, let's see in the fridge. Oh, I might have this now. Just kidding. Oh, we have berries here. What are these? Blackberry or blueberry? Blueberries. So we're gonna use those. Put it in the counter. Let's see. Strawberries, obviously. Very nice. Oh yeah, these are asparagus. They're quite nice to grill, pair with steaks. I like them. And some kale, like superfood. We have lemons and everything. Yeah, I'm gonna kalamansi na mo dire. Dako kayo na. May lime na mo. Main lime. Some veggies there, cabbage, long ones. I'm not touching them because bell peppers, aubergine, eggplant in other words. So I might add some carrots as well. Yeah, it's viable anyways. And also we have the drinks here, long lasting one. We don't have any dairies right now because it's unreliable. Mapanos siya. May expire yun. So we're sticking with the plant-based. Yeah, also we have some wine here. There actually what types is, yeah, I could add this into a steak sauce. Great for steak sauce or just for raw drinking purposes. Yeah, I'm not a big drinker myself. One shot of Tanduay back in the Philippines, so you got wasted. So just some info there. just gonna activate it now. Blend. Move it now. Ato ng tatangon. Just get rid of the excess. There we go. Okay guys, I'm just gonna end the video now. If you like the content, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and also consider sharing it to your friends and families, or to whoever you want to share it to. And yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this movie, and yeah, hopefully you take care there, and see you later.